Hi guys, we are out here on the streets of Mexico City, and I just want to give a quick review for the Airbnb that we stayed in. This is the neighborhood. It's during the day, so it's about noon, and we're about to leave, so we're gonna do an exit video. We stayed at a place called Hotel GRAN VIA Central, and it is right beside the VW dealership. The neighborhood is pretty good. It's on the edge of Centro and Doctores. It's like right on the edge of both. And if you were to believe the online people, this would be kind of a seedy neighborhood, but we found it very safe. We walked around here at night. You can watch some of our videos. We actually have some videos called Is It Safe? Here it is, number 56. And here's our key. Here's the address. We're in room 203. As it tells you, it has Wi-Fi, TV, security, cleaning, and amenities. All right, so we're gonna go on in. So they do have 24-hour check-in, so there's always somebody up here, and they will let you in whenever you come in with your key. So that is the security element. So not just anybody can come in, and it is pretty much just a building that has been turned, it's a traveler's hotel, right? It's a building that's just been turned into tiny rooms, closet-sized rooms. You do get your own bathroom, which is great. You don't always get your bathroom. Sometimes in Airbnbs you get a shared bathroom. Here is your comedor, which is your dining room area, which really is just a table and some chairs, but they do supply it so that they can say that they do. It is 3 floors, and the pictures on the Airbnb listing look exactly like the rooms. There's no trickery involved. They've got these cool cacti. So here's the floor, the first floor, and we're staying on the second floor up there. Drew? There's our room. 203's got the door closed, so let's go on up there. So there are 3 flights. Like I said, you could end up going up 3 flights of stairs if you ended up with the 3rd floor. We were luckily on the 2nd floor. I will say it is rather clean. There's a lady in there right now cleaning up a bed, and it smells clean when you get here. The floors are clean. Everything looked pretty clean. Here's our room, 203. You have one little window, because a lot of people complain about no windows.
There's one in the bathroom.
Oh, there's one in the bathroom. Okay.
You're gonna need.
You're gonna need, because it is small. It is the size of a small bedroom. Got to back up to show you. And that's what you get. And like I said, we've been here 3 nights, so it isn't in the cleanest state because we have stayed here 3 nights, but when we got here, it was rather clean. So you get a TV, but the TV...
It's a smart TV. You can cast to it.
You can cast to it, okay, but it doesn't have Netflix or...
Well, we didn't bother checking and see if it did.
It really was just like Spanish cable.
Well, I didn't bother messing with it to see if it
We didn't bother messing with it.
It's got YouTube and Netflix buttons.
Okay.
We could have just...
We could have logged in. Maybe. We don't know. We weren't watching it. It's not a big deal for us. But if it is a big deal for you, then it's here. And then you have this crappy bookshelf. And that's really all you have for storage. These dresser drawers do not open, so this is really just a table. But
there is 2 coat hangers.
There's 2 coat hangers, right, and a coat rack little thing. So some things that I didn't like about it As you can see, here's an outlet, and this is something that the reviews said as well. Here's an outlet, and here's an outlet. Neither of these outlets worked. They will not charge. They do not hold anything. You can put your plug in it. They do not work. So as you can see, we have a lot going on here because this one did work. And so this is one that works. And so we had to add adapters to get all our things charging. And then we found this one that also worked. It's up there. Only one of it worked. So you had to unplug the TV if you wanted to use it for charging. And then you had to find a way to get way up there. We stood on the bed. So out of about 8 outlets, 2 worked. And we requested a fan, and they do have a fan if you request it. It was a nice fan. But of course, the fan means that is one of the outlets that will be used, and the TV is another outlet that will be used. So that is your 2 outlets, and you're done. You have no more outlets if that's what you choose to use. We did not use our TV, and that is one reason why. We had to, as YouTubers, we have to plug in things all the time. So that was a big problem. Wi-Fi. How did you feel about the Wi-Fi? Mediano. Yeah.
It works.
It works. It was
a little slow with the upload.
It's a little slow, but like at night, when nobody's using it, it works really fast. So it just depends on when you're trying to upload things. Do you have anything else to say about it? The bed, the mattress.
I like a hard mattress. It was hard.
It was hard, but it wasn't like a brick. It's got a little bit of give. And you can see it's a double bed, so it's tight. Pillows, not the great comfort. You need to bring your own. We brought our own pillows. You can see I brought my own pillow. I've learned that. Over here in Mexico, they don't use pillows. They use pillowcases that they stuff full of stuffing, and that's the pillow. So you need to bring your own pillow. We both have our own pillows. It got cool in here at night. We actually had to bring an extra blanket. We do bring our own blanket, so that was no problem. You could probably request extra blankets. Let's talk about the bathroom. Here's your bathroom. Did the hot water work?
Yes, it did.
Okay, we had hot water. What about water pressure?
Great pressure.
Water pressure was good. Hot water was good. Bathroom was clean.
I mean, it's got a fancy exterior sign out there.
It's Halloween, y'all. Happy Halloween. Okay. You get soap, shampoo, and they even gave me some lotion. They're crappy packets, but they give them to you, so that's good. I would say everything was clean, except for you can see like some streaks on the walls. They obviously cleaned the floors, the showers, the sinks, and the toilets. But I do not think they cleaned the walls. This looks like there's poo over here. I obviously didn't mess with it. It was here when I got here. So I don't think they're cleaning the walls. They're just cleaning the floors. These lights, they suck. It's the only light you have, and it is bright as hell. I did not like that. But it was $15 a night. $15 a night is rather cheap for this area. Like I said, we're on the edge of Doctores and Centro. Any more things about the location? So we set our...
We're like 2 blocks from the huge metro station.
Yep, you can go right down there and go on the subway. We set our Airbnb perimeters to be less than $25, and generally that's what we do when we stay places. This place was $15, and it was well worth it for $15 a night. Was there a cleaning fee? Anything like that?
I don't know.
I don't think there was any crazy fees. Especially because we are here for Day of the Dead, and so is everybody else in the world. They're expecting 2 million people
Yeah,
at the Day of the Dead parade.
I tried to look to see if there were any availabilities around here, and everything's booked up.
Right, we
For
tried.
low prices. There's more things available, but they're expensive.
And we also wanted to keep this place. We're actually moving to a hotel that we're not so sure about, so we wanted to extend our stay
It's
here,
over in that, like,
iffy area.
yeah.
So we wanted to extend our stay here, but we could not because they are booked. So the security was good. Nothing got stolen. We left our stuff in here. We felt safe. Everything was great. So yeah, this was a good stay. It's a good find. If you see it online, don't be scared. It is well worth $15. Thanks for watching. Do you know the address? Eje Central, number 56, Colonial Abria,
Like that's a
Mexico
big,
City.
there's a big, huge corner out on the street where it's a big thoroughfare.
Check-in was at,
We got in at midnight.
that's right, and they let us in, but you can, I think it's at 3 o'clock, check-in. And check-out is at,
1 p.m., which is in like 10 minutes.
was at 1 p.m. And I do believe they will hold your baggage for you.
Which is nice. 1 p.m. is a nice checkout time. You got like all morning.
Yep, so check out our other Airbnb reviews. We do Airbnb reviews on all the places we stay, and we have a playlist. It'll be linked somewhere. Thank you for watching The Adventures of Drew and Amanda. That's our name, right? The Adventures of Drew and Amanda. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely hit that subscribe button so you can see all our Day of the Dead stuff that's coming up very soon. Make sure your notifications are on so that you'll be notified when these videos pop up. And thank you for watching. Get out there and do some adventuring. Are you laughing at me? Because I'm still talking. Goodbye.